guess my hawk scaring crow didn't work. Oh, I guess he's gonna pick a fight with him. He's after my birds again. I got another crow over there. This guy, oh, well, I guess he's not afraid of nobody. I guess he's not. Go away, Mr. Hawk. You're very beautiful. You're very lovely. I don't want you to get my bird, please. No more of my birds. No, no more. Oh, totally just pooped on the crow. Well, I never. He's just gonna gloat. Oh man, guess that crow isn't working. Don't do it, bird. Do not do it. This is what he does. He goes into the bush. He goes into the bush. And he gets a bird. Oh my gosh. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Don't you do it. The birds hide in my raspberries from this psycho guy. He's going in. Oh my gosh. I do not want this to happen. I'm recording it for the court of law, sir. It's very beautiful, but I do not want him to get my birds. He keeps getting my sparrows. I've seen him catch 4. There he goes. He got one. Got one. I got one. It's over on the fence. Maybe he didn't. Did he? I don't know. Nope. Did he? Yes, he did. He got another one. That's 5. 1 week blood. Jerk. He's gonna go up there. He's in the apple tree. Now he's just eating it. Total psycho killer. That's 5. 5 birds in 1 week. I hate this guy. This is nature. I know. But it was never supposed to be this way. This is not how God created things in the beginning. It's just having dinner, I know. It breaks my heart though. Man. I'm sorry, bird. Okay. Well, rest in peace, little sparrow. Rest in peace.